Hello and congratulations. Yes, congratulations, because if you are watching this video, that means you have taken a step further to write and publish your own ebook. Thank you so much for being part of this Start an Online Business with Mopiba. That's Mom on Point Internet Business Academy. I am Ijapari Jiang, the Mom on Point. I am the founder of Mom on Point Internet Business Academy and momonpointblog.com, where you see different articles about stay-home jobs and about internet business. You can start right from your kitchen table. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you are enjoying your stay. So writing and publishing ebook is part of the training you undergo in Start an Online Business with Mobiba. And I have this one of my friends that I always encourage her to write a book. She do tell me, must everybody write a book? If everybody writes a book, who then will buy from each other? I say yes. That means if I want to know about the dog training, I'll buy your own. And if you want to know about internet business, you buy mine, isn't it? Because she loves dog so much. I'm even encouraging her to write about dog training. So that is that. I always say this from my little experience and a little research that I've done. I discovered that everyone has within them the ability to write a book. Yes, everybody have within them the ability to write a book. The reason why a lot of wannabe or one would be authors don't write a book is because mostly they don't know where to start from, while others will say they don't have idea of what their book title should be. Yes, either they don't have idea or they don't know where to start from. Yes, and one thing I always advise and encourage everybody or anybody that want to write and publish his own ebook is you should always do something. Write about something you are passionate about, something you love doing, something you can so do freely, that even without pressure, you do it, you just enjoy doing it, something you can really talk about. Because the moment you are able to put your finger on that thing, if you carry pen, believe me, you will be surprised at the kind of words that you are going to put into writing. And again, the biggest difference between those who are successful in writing and publishing their ebook and those who are not is a passion about a particular subject. Because if you are not passionate about a particular subject and you want to write ebook about that, believe me, you might not go far. Yes, so it is very, very important for you to write on something you are passionate about. You know why? Every one of us have a story to tell. Everybody have a message. You cannot tell me that you don't have a story to tell. You cannot tell me that you don't have experience. You cannot tell me that you don't have expertise. When I say expertise, doesn't mean that you have degree or you are a professional in a particular thing. No, you could be as simple as advising young couples. It could be that something people ask you most frequently, something that people ask for help about from you. It could be that could be your own expertise. So it is important, because everybody have a story to tell. Everybody have a message that you can share with others. Because if you are able to share that message with the world, believe me, you'll be touching a lot of lives out there. So right now, I want to ask you, what are you passionate about? What is that thing that you are passionate about? What are you, what do you care about so much? As in, what you really want to tell people. What is that thing that you really want to tell people, that you care about it so much? It could be that from your past experience. It could be like from a challenge you passed through. It could be that an obstacle, but you have learned your lesson, and you can be able to teach other people about it. So it is important for you to identify what you are passionate about. And that is why today I want to encourage you to have a blackout. Blackout like 30 minutes, but like me, sometimes I can black out for 2 hours. As in, I can switch off my phone, as in find a quiet place. I will just lie down. So that is one thing I want you to do. Either you sit or but just black out, total blackout, as in stay away from every form of distraction. Just sit, just you and your mind. Just calm down. As in my coach used to tell me, Ijapari. That's how she mentioned my name. Ijapari. Calm down. So just calm down and ask yourself just these two questions. The first question is, what knowledge, expertise, belief, or experience do you have that can benefit the life of others? I will take that again. You can write it down, please. What knowledge, expertise, belief, or experience do you have that can benefit the life of others? Then the second question is, what subject are you expert in? What is that subject that you are expert in? What is that thing that a lot of people will come rushing, asking you for your idea, asking you for your advice, and so on and so forth. So it is important for you to identify that. In that your blackout moment, just black out. Do that for me. By the special grace of God, you'll be surprised at the things you can actually do. My friend just walked in right now, and I'm not going to edit this video because this is my life. This is how I live my life. No apologies. You know, I enjoy doing what I'm doing. I am sitting, in fact, this is my dining, but just one corner of it, and I'm just enjoying my life. My baby, I just put my baby to sleep. In fact, I've not even cleaned the house. Yes, and this is the kind of life I want as many as possible to adapt, especially that's why I'm so passionate about women. I'm so passionate about mothers, because I know what it means to stay away from these children. I'm not saying you should quit your job, but na JJ gradually, abi? Yes. So thank you so much for being part of this academy. Please, if you have any question, whatsoever, be it from a business model that I talk about or that I train you, or from anyone that the facilitators train you, please go ahead and ask. Thank you so much. There's going to be a PDF file. You download it and go through it, and then we'll continue from there, because it is my utmost desire that you must write and publish your own ebook before the end of this month. Thank you so much.